The Malayan night heron is a stocky, medium-sized nocturnal heron found in Asian forests. It lives in subtropical and tropical forests, feeding on invertebrates like earthworms and frogs, though its diet can also include small fish and reptiles. Distinguished by its black crown with a crest, rufous neck, barred chestnut back, and a blue facial patch. The Malayan night heron is considered one of India's rarest birds due to its migratory nature and elusive nocturnal habits, which make it a challenging and rare sight for bird watchers and researchers.